Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Quizlet public. First, navigate to the specific study set you wish to share with others. Once you've opened the set, look for the Edit button, usually found near the top of the page. Clicking this will take you to the set's editing interface. Here, you'll find various options to modify your set, including its visibility. This initial step is crucial for accessing the privacy controls. Within the Edit screen, scroll down until you see the visibility settings. It might say Visible to Everyone or have a Change button next to it. Click on this option to reveal a drop-down menu or a list of choices. From these options, select Everyone to ensure your set is publicly accessible. After making your choice, remember to confirm or save your selection to apply the new privacy setting. This makes your set discoverable by anyone. Once you've set the visibility to everyone, scroll to the bottom or top of the page and click the Done or Create button to save your changes. Your Quizlet set is now officially public and can be found by others searching on Quizlet. You can also easily share the direct link to your set with friends, classmates, or anyone who might benefit from your study materials. This simple action expands your reach significantly. Making your Quizlet sets public offers numerous benefits. It allows many students to access and learn from your well-organized study materials, fostering a collaborative learning environment. Sharing knowledge easily helps others succeed and can even lead to new connections. Remember to check the description for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals. It's a valuable resource for anyone looking to improve their financial understanding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.